Hello folks, this is David Juliano from Stonehearth Capital Management with an educational economic update for December 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the major headlines that influence markets in November and provide insight into what these developments could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. Looking back on November, no one would argue that it was a boring month. After a long, exhausting presidential campaign, Election Day brought results that few were expecting. Just that day, the New York Times had given Hillary Clinton an 85% likelihood of winning based on a number of both state and national polls. We all know how the story actually played out, and what might be even more surprising than Donald Trump's victory is how the markets responded. Rather than experiencing the sell-offs that many experts predicted, the major indexes have shown tremendous growth since the election. In fact, the Dow added over 1,000 points in November and went above 19,000 points for the first time ever. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ also reached record highs last month. And these noteworthy market increases are just a few of the positive economic indicators that we saw in November. In our last monthly video, we talked about how the gross domestic product, or GDP, had its biggest gain in 2 years, showing that the economy was growing more quickly than most economists expected. Well, when the government released its revised GDP numbers in November, they revealed that the economy grew even faster than previously thought. After years of sluggish growth, we're happy to see the economy picking up its pace once again. The employment picture is showing an equally positive outlook as well. Unemployment remains low, and personal incomes gained another 0.6% in October. If you look at this year's gains as an annual rate, incomes are up 5%. These meaningful increases mean that Americans have more money in their pockets and will likely increase their spending to match. As we look across the data for November and 2016 as a whole, we believe the economy is continuing to strengthen. All signs currently point to the Federal Reserve raising interest rates when it meets this month. Fortunately, the markets and the economy seem poised to withstand moving back towards more historical normal rates. Between Brexit, the U.S. presidential election, and more, this year has reminded us again and again that no one can predict the future, but I'm happy to say that recent economic reports and market performance give us many reasons to be thankful and to look forward to the future with anticipation. Once again, this is David Juliano with Stonehearth Capital Management, signing off for the month of December 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.